Hey guys, how's it going? Daniel here. So it's that time of the day of the month again where it's time to share with you guys some amazing widgets for the iPhone 13 mini for the month of October. So let's start. So the first widget we have is called Smart Battery. So Smart Battery, just how the name implies, it shows you the information about the battery life on your iPhone 13 mini. But what I also like about this widget is that it has other widgets that show you the battery information about depending on how long you have battery life depending on the activity that you're doing on the iPhone. So if you're watching videos or playing video games or listening to music, it will also show you that on the widget depending on what you're doing and how much battery life you will have. But there's also other widgets included in Smart Battery. So there's actually a widget for your Wi-Fi, for your memory and network as well, which is very cool that you can actually have some really nice design widgets with other type of information as well included, plus the battery life as well and battery information about your iPhone. Next we have is Google. So Google recently updated their application for iOS 15, and with that they released two new widgets. So first off, of course, is a small widget that if you click it, it'll only open the search application, and then the medium size widget, it will open the voice and Google Lens as well, and also support the search as well. So it's very cool that Google finally updated their application to support iOS 15 and of course the widgets that came included with that up. Moving on, we have folder shortcuts. So if you're like me and you use the Files app a lot, you know you have a lot of files in your, or you have a lot of folders in your Files app, then folder shortcut is a fantastic widget to have. So how it works is pretty simple. It will pretty much, you can have the widget on your home screen and it'll have all the files that you have, or all the folders that you have inside the Files app showing up on the home screen. So you don't need to no longer have to open the Files app to quickly search for whatever folder you're looking for, since it will automatically already be on your home screen. So you could just quickly tap on the folder that you're looking for and then it'll open up the file that is inside that folder app. So it's very cool. Of course, it's super convenient. If you're like me, you have a ton of Files app, then you're going to enjoy having to quickly access the folder app, so you no longer have to open the Files app or look on Spotlight to search for the folder, since it will automatically be on your home screen. So you can quickly just tap on it and boom, you're good to go. Moving on, we have affirmations. So affirmations is a fantastic application that has some cool widgets. So it has three widgets: simple, small, medium, and large. And then of course, all it does, the widgets, is show you affirmations. So if you're like me, you want to have good vibes, of course, every time you open your phone. So just seeing some positive messages, of course, on your phone is always very nice when you're starting the day or just when you're really down. So that's where the affirmation widgets kick in, since you're reading those affirmations and it just makes you feel good, even though if it's maybe for only a minute or 10 minutes, at least it's there and you're looking at something good to remember, to remind yourself that, hey, you're awesome. So yeah, it's just a very cool widget that I really like for the iPhone 13 mini, and it just works as well. Next we have is Carrot Weather. So Carrot Weather, of course, recently updated their app for iOS 15, and also came with that a lot of widgets that came included with that update. So of course, Carrot Weather has a ton of widgets that you can choose from depending on whatever weather information you're looking for. So if you're looking for weather only for right now, there's a widget for that. If you're looking for weather for how it's going to be in the next 5 hours, there's a widget for that as well. My favorite widget, of course, is a small one where it shows you the weather for today, but also for the next 4 days. So depending on whatever weather information you're looking for, pretty much Carrot Weather has a widget for that already included in the update here. And so yeah, it's just a really fantastic application, of course, to see the weather right on your iPhone. And also, since it's already fall and winter here in Ottawa, Canada, you kind of want to see the weather every day, so you're prepared, so you're dressed appropriate for the weather and everything. So yeah, I just really enjoy that about Carrot Weather. Next we have is favorite widgets. So favorite widgets, of course, is a fantastic widget that allows you to add your favorite contact on your home screen. So if you have somebody that you message every day or every week a lot, you could quickly just put that person on the home page without having to open the contacts and having to search for that person. So, and what also was awesome about this, that you can also customize the widget. So if you have if you text that person a lot, you can have it set to open the message app, or if you call the person a lot instead, you can have it set up to call the person instead. So yeah, it's just a really cool customizational. Now there's also 3 sizes of widgets, so the small, medium, and large. Of course, the large has 4 or more contacts you can add, and then the medium has up to 4 contacts, and of course the small only 1 contact. So it's very cool if you want to quickly access your favorite contacts and to quickly message up or call them depending on whatever you do with them. Next we have is special date. So special dates is a countdown app. So what's also awesome about this is how beautiful the widgets are and nicely designed. You can add emojis to them and everything depending on whatever countdown you have. So if you want to count down for the next Apple event, you can add that countdown on. If you want to have for Christmas and like my birthday, then like me, you can add that already, and we're almost there, like 60 days or so. So yeah, it's just a very cool application, and just like all the widgets, it supports the medium, small, and large. So it's depending on your home screen setup, there's pretty much a design for a countdown app right there. And next and not least, we have is Top Widgets. So Top Widgets recently updated, of course, their application, and it comes with a lot of customizable widgets that you can add onto your home screen setup. So there's a small size, medium, and large, and just like that, there's a ton that you can go on and download from the app and install. So you can have some cool, unique designs of widgets on your home screen setup, so you can stand out from the crowd. And it just looks amazing on the iPhone 13 mini, because like these widgets just look really, really nice and designed. And there's some really cool, unique ones that you can download for free. Of course, the app is free to download, but there is an in-app purchase to subscribe to download the premium ones. And the premium ones look really cool as well. But I think you'll be happy with the free ones if you don't want to pay the extra dollar or so to download the pro ones. So that's pretty much it for the Top Widgets apps for the month of October for the iPhone 13 mini. I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I did. If you guys did enjoy this video, it means the world to me if you guys will hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and as always, I will see you guys later. Peace.